Welcome, like and subscribe. I'm going to show you how to make an espresso with an Alessi Stovetop coffee maker. I've been using this for almost 3 years now and it's really sturdy. I need to polish it. As you can see, it's a bit tarnished. First, unscrew the top. I already made 2 coffees today, so you can see ground coffee bits. I'm going to wash this out simply with my fingers. And there are 2 parts to the bottom that we're going to be using. The top is for coffee, bottom is for where the water goes. And I'll fill the bottom with water, make sure it doesn't exceed the line so the water displacement doesn't go over the top apparatus where the coffee grounds will be filtered. It looks like this. And at the top, that's where the coffee goes. And then I choose my coffee that is already ground, in this case Cafe Bustelo, taking a heaping tablespoon and shake off the excess. Next, I'm going to pack it into the top of the coffee and flatten it to make sure it's completely covered in the apparatus so it can bloom. And then I'm going to screw it on. Make sure it's closed tightly so that it cooks properly. Make sure it's tight. Then put it on the smallest trivet on the stove. I light up the fire at the strongest point just enough that it doesn't engulf the espresso maker in flames. And then you're going to wait a bit. It should be about 10 minutes or less. 15 minutes is too long, but you should smell it or hear it. If you smell it, it's burning. But stick around and wait a bit. Tear up the dance floor. Discover the world. Even water your plants. As you wait, then find your coffee mug from your workstation where it was before. Listen for the boiling. You'll hear a bubbling if you're in the room, but if not, you can open the top to check if the coffee has risen. This has, pour it into your mug. I personally like to add this natural creamer, which will technically turn the espresso into café noisette, also known as a macchiato. And you're good to go.